Nowadays, people are switching from traditional investment to modern investment. Nowadays, people are investing into the stock market. When you want to buy and sell a stock without broker, you cannot buy and sell the stock. Broker is very much required. That's why broking industry in India, which is growing very faster. Earlier, this broking industry, it was dominated by the traditional brokers such as Motilal Oswal, Anand Rathi, ICICI Securities, Kotak Securities. But after COVID pandemic, fintech players, they are dominating the broking industry, such as Angel One, Zerodha. These companies, they will use the technology. That's the reason they are able to scale. That's why they are able to grow in the industry. These fintech players, because of using the technology, they don't require physical office, they don't require big buildings and big infrastructures. That's the reason these companies, they are able to scale their business in online. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about one broking stock which is Angel One. Friends, in this video, as usual, I'm going to discuss about business model, future growth, leadership, financial, valuation. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. Angel One, which is one of the leading broking firm in India, which is incorporated in 1996, Angel provides broking services across a segment, including cash market, intraday, future and options, currency, and commodity, wherein intraday trading is one of the biggest revenue source for all the broking house. Whether you make profit or loss, brokers will get the commission. Nowadays, more and more people are getting into the trading. That is going to be a biggest revenue source for all the brokers. In broking industry, number of orders and daily turnover, which is very important. If you look at the Angel One, in cash segment, number of orders and daily turnover, which has been consistently increasing. In F&O segment also, number of orders and daily turnover, which has been increasing. In commodity segment also, number of orders and daily turnover, which has been increasing. So if it is increasing, it will increase the profitability for the brokers. While trading, most of the traders, they will look for a user-friendly application, speed order processing, good charts. In trading, charts are very much required. Technical analysis is the backbone for trading. In Angel One, you are able to view multiple charts. That's the reason people love to use Angel One. Angel is not only presence in the broking industry, it has got well diversified business. The first one is MTF, margin traded fund, wherein it will give margin for the investors. So let's say that, so you are having only 25,000, but you want to buy the share worth of 1 lakh rupees, wherein Angel will give the margin as a 75,000, wherein you need to pay some charges. For that, we call it as a margin traded fund, and it will provide loan against security, as well as it engaged in the business of third-party financial product distribution, such as a mutual fund and insurance. It will add more value to Angel One. As well as Angel One, which is entering into the wealth management services also, ultra HNIs, retail customer. And Angel One, very soon it is going to become an AMC also, asset management company. If you look at the competitive strength, the first one is leveraging the technology. As it is a fintech company, using the technology, going more digital, these companies, they are able to scale their business. This is how they are growing in the industry. They no need to spend on big building and big infrastructures. This will reduce the cost and it will increase the profitability. As well as nowadays company, they are aggressively spending on new age technology such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. One is geographical reach. Using the technology, these companies, they are expanding their business into tier 1 and tier 2 cities. Friends, recently one of my friend, he wanted to open a demat account. We had opened demat account with the Angel One. Within 5 minutes, we are able to upload the document, and within 12 hours, account got activated. This is how they are serving the customer. Nowadays, in the rural part also, people are investing into the equity market. Just 10 years back, in the rural part, people were not investing into the equity market, because if you want to open a demat account, lot of paperwork had to be done. So that's the reason they were not investing. Nowadays, thanks to the technology, thanks to the fintech companies, within 5 minutes, within few clicks, we are able to open a demat account. So that's the reason in the rural part also, nowadays people are investing into the equity market. That's why nowadays Angel, which is growing very faster. If you look at the future is very bright. Nowadays, more and more people are investing into the stock market. When you want to buy and sell a stock, demat account is very much required, Without demat account, without broker, you cannot buy and sell the stock. That's why broking industry in India, which is expected to grow very faster in the future. As well as if you look at the data, India has got 1.4 billion plus population, wherein 48 crore people they are having insurance, 65 crore people they are having PAN card, but number of demat accounts in India only 15 crore, wherein only 5 crore people they are active. That's why we can expect a lot more growth in Indian broking industry. Ultimately, Angel One, which is expected to grow in the future, as well as India has got highest young working population. These people in the future they are going to invest into the stock market. When they want to invest into the stock market, demat account which is very much required and broker is very much required. That's why Angel One is expected to grow in the future. As well as financial literacy in India, which has been increasing. Now people are understanding the importance of investing into the equity market. Earlier, people used to save their money. They were not investing. Now people are investing into the equity market, which will fuel the growth of broking industry in India. If you look at the competitors, broking industry in India, which is highly competitive industry, some of the fintech competitors are Zerodha, Upstock, as well as some of the traditional brokers are Anand Rathi, Motilal Oswal, SBI Security, Kotak Security, HDFC Security. If you look at the key risk, the first one is market risk. Stock market, which is highly volatile in the nature, it will always go through the cycles of ups and downs. During the bull run, more and more people they will invest into the equity market. Trading volume will increase. In the same time, when there is a correction in the market, people exit from the stock market. They will not invest. They will not trade. In such scenario, which will reduce the trading volume, which will reduce the profitability of the company. Second one is regulatory risk. Stock market in India, which is highly regulated by the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Each brokers, they have to work according to the SEBI rules and regulation. If there is any new regulation done by the SEBI, brokers has to accept these rules and they have to work accordingly, which can impact the brokers in a negatively in the future. If you look at the revenue breakups, for the last 5 years, the revenues are growing consistently. In 2019, 736 crores, in 2020, 710 crores, in 2021, 1250 crores, in 2022, 2237 crores, in 2023, around 3000 crores. If you look at the net profits, profits are growing consistently. In 2019, 76 crores, 86 crores, 290 crores, 614 crores, 881 crores. If you look at the debt to equity, year on year, company has been reducing the debt. So right now, debt on equity, which is stood at 0.37 percentage, which is very low, which is very good for long-term investment. If you look at the return on equity, which has been consistently increasing right now, which is stood at 41.69 percentage, which is very good. If you look at the shareholding pattern, right now promoters they're having around 35 percentage of shareholding pattern. If you look at the FIs, they are the net buyers, they are consistently buying the share. 4 percentage, 5 percentage, 8 percentage, 10 percentage, 11 percentage, 17 percentage. Right now, they are having around 18 percentage of shareholding pattern. If you look at the domestic institutional investors, so even they are also consistently buying the share 8 percentage, so 9 percentage, 10 percentage. So right now, they are having around 14 percentage of shareholding pattern. If you look at the stock had IPO in 2020. Over the last 5 years, stock price zoomed from 250 to 3,700. Stock has grown 14 times. Recently, stock has corrected around 40 percentage. This correction, it has created a good investment opportunity for long-term investment. If you look at the valuation, right now, stock is trading a P of 18 and median P is 21, which is trading below the median P, which is very good for long-term investment. Friends, in this video, we discussed about fundamental analysis of Angel One, which is one of the leading broking firm in India nowadays, which is growing very faster, as well as broking industry in India, which is expected to grow very faster in the future. Because nowadays more and more people are investing into the equity market. When you want to invest into the equity market, broker is very much required. Demat account is very much required. Without that, we cannot buy and sell the stock. That's why Angel, which is expected to grow in the future. Friends, this video is only for education purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.